It's pretty clear in this market that there are a lot of suppliers and installers who are quite often out to make a quick buck. There are a lot of rebates and a lot of systems that can be manipulated, and there's a lot of range in terms of quality of panels, of inverters and of install. And you only have to drive around the streets to see that there are solar panels sometimes put on south-facing roofs, which is extraordinary that can actually happen. So it is important that there is a good balance between the quality of the panels, the quality of all of the hardware, of the inverter and of the battery, and that needs to balance with the economics, performance and economics. I always tell our clients that there will be cheaper systems out there. You will open the newspaper and you will see cheaper systems, but we're actually designing and delivering something for the long term, something that will last and something that will continue to work into the years. The payback for solar is not a quick thing, so it is a number of years that they have to work and work optimally for the payback to be there. So it is really, really important that the efficiencies stay at as high a percentage as they possibly can. The reason why Goodhouse exists is because of sustainability. We are getting lots and lots and lots of people finding us. We're not advertising, but people are finding us and searching out for a sustainable solution. I think partly that is an ethical decision, so people are realising that we can't just keep building enormous McMansions that use an enormous amount of electricity. It's not the right thing to do, but I think the other thing that's changed because of the solar technology now and the battery technology, people are realising that it's possible that this can affect the economics of the build as well. So we never used to be able to talk about payback time with sustainable architecture, but now we can, and that's creating a much, much bigger market as well.